anything and it started. Wow!
It's gonna be good, but it's gonna be something.
But it's gonna work, that's for sure.
That's right. Get it. Get shocks on it. That's the main thing.
Yep. Yeah, I don't even think we used any of these original pins, these reproduction pins. I think they were all too thick.
Well, look at them. They're square.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, that's coming out.
huh?
This is so gone, but
And these aren't the flip up.
This is not the line.
Okay, so choke out.
you probably don't even need choke.
You don't think so?
Tap the gas 3 times and start it.
And then do I do brake or clutch?
Neither.
Colonel Whitfield always told me.
Just push the clutch in, and then you'll hit the pedal.
Ooh, that's really light. All right, well, while we're here, I'll just do a pedal.
Clutch in. Nope.
It's all the blue stuff.
Yeah.
About
Do it again.
that much choke.
Yeah. Do it again. Alright, do it again.
It's not coming up. Should we shut off? That would help.
Helps if you have the key on.
Oh, look at this.
It lives! Get in there. Don't have gas feet twice.
This thing turns so well.
I would hope so.
gas pedal. No, the watch out, kids.
I remember my.
The brake pedal's hanging up on the gas pedal.
That's your big ass fucking foot.
Let's hit the. All right. Is it in? Yep. Woohoo!
Your Jeep live.
I'm driving our own Jeep. Holy balls. I'll do a lap in second, just kind of be slow with it,
Yeah.
and then I'll try third.
Third's too much for the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Second's where you want to stay. You know what's funny?
What's that?
He did the same thing I did backing out of that driveway the first time I backed Helen out.
Really?
Just
Yeah, I kept hitting the fucking brake pedal and it wouldn't stop. I'm like, what the fuck's going on? Mom's screaming, what? I'm like, oh yeah, that's right.
You already shipped up?
No, I'm keeping
All
it
right.
in second.
Oh, I didn't even see it shift in a second. All right. Woohoo! Oh, it feels so nice. Listen to that sound. That motor is just, oh man. It wants to drift a little right. Well, that could be the tire though too. That could be the
You
tire.
gotta probably tighten up the steering box.
It's got a little play, but I mean it's
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Still a neighborhood there, fucking speed racer.
today. There you go. Well, the horns obviously need some adjustment.
Yeah, I think there's a bare spot in the fucking motor.
I think so. Turning lens.
I totally did that on purpose.
This is all part of the plan.
Yeah, it's all part of the plan.
Yep.
So, watch out for the moving bush.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll have to take a look at that. Fucking bare spot in the front lamp. That's priceless.
Let's see if this thing will actually slow down. Okay.
Watch in.
Watch it.
There you go.
Neutral yet? Or?
Yeah, put it in first.